Hello everyone. Welcome to Autobits Labs. Now I will let you explain that how you can add masters data from our Autobits IoT app. Okay, so now this is our assets dashboard section. If you want to add masters data, then you have to click into admin section of our dashboard, and then you will able to see master section. So as you click into master section, then you will able to see masters list, like tool monitor, operator, measurement, downtime reasons, part name. If you want to add new parts, if you want to add operator name, if you want to add downtime reasons, etc., then you can add using this masters list. So if you want to add operator, then you go to just click into operator. If you want to add a solely operator, like if you want to add just one operator, then you can easily add using add row. But if you want to add multiple operators, like 50 or 60 operators, then you have to add using CSV file. So firstly, you have to do export CSV. As you click into export CSV, then your CSV file has been downloaded. So you will be able to see on the screen that the CSV file has been opened. So now I will explain you that how you can manually add operators. So firstly, this is must rule that you have to first delete the second row, integer string. This is of no use. So first you have to delete this row, and after that you have to manually write any operator's name, like DPAC. You have to add the specific wages of that operator. You have to add the specific gender, male or female. You have to add his birth year. And now you have to save this file in Excel format. Then we will go to the dashboard and import that Excel file. We'll drop that file. So after dropping, we'll do click into submit button. As you will click into submit button, in few seconds, the changes will be reflected in our dashboard. So after dropping, we'll do click into submit button. As you will click into submit button, in few seconds, the changes will be reflected in our dashboard. So you'll able to see the lastly, which manually we added operator is visible here. So this is how operator added. This is how you can add master. This is how you can add downtime reasons, like no operator, no material available, incorrect quality, quality issue, tooling not available, etc. It is up to you that how you want to add downtime reasons, how you want to add part name, how you want to add operator, etc. So this is our master section. Now I will show you that how you can download a generate QR code from our dashboard for specific downtime reasons. So here we have given generate QR. So you have to click into generate QR, and if you want all downtime reasons entries, then you want to click into this upper button. If you'll click into that, then you'll select all downtime reasons. But if you have to see only one, then you have to select specific entry, like 1 or 2, etc. Then you'll be able to see the file. Okay, in PDF form, you'll able to see that how QR code generated, and you can print it out. Okay, so this is overview of our masters section, that how you can add master data, like operator, downtime reasons, part name, etc. Yeah, thank you for choosing Autobits Labs.